Next drug is Rauwolfia. Rauwolfia synonym is Chota Chand, Sarpagandha and Serpentine root. What is its biological source? It consists of dried roots and rhizomes of Rauwolfia serpentina, family Apocynaceae. Characteristics of the roots and rhizomes. Rhizomes are cylindrical or slightly tapering, 2 to 10 centimeter long and 5 to 22 millimeter in diameter, 2.2 centimeter in diameter, 5 to 20 millimeter. The outer surface of roots is dull grayish brown with faint wrinkles. The outer surface of the root is dull grayish in color, grayish brown in color with faint wrinkles. Fracture of root is short, and root is odorless and bitter in taste. Both bark and root contains abundant starch. The chemical constituents. What are the chemical constituents present in this Rauwolfia? That it is mainly contains indole alkaloid, and among the indole alkaloid, important alkaloid is reserpine and resinamide. These are the two main alkaloids. Other alkaloids are azmalicin, rauwolfenine, resinamide, yohimbine, serpentine, serpentinine. All these are the alkaloids present in Rauwolfia. All are containing indole alkaloid. Chemical test. Reserpine shows, number 1, reserpine shows violet red color when treated with solution of vanillin in acetic acid. Second one is a red coloration along the medullary ridge when we see by the TS of the root. Red coloration along the medullary ridge is observed when the freshly fractured surface is treated with concentrated nitric acid. Because earlier we have discussed that its fracture is short. So freshly fractured surface is treated with concentrated nitric acid, red coloration obtained. If we analyze by TLC, a solution is prepared of reserpine in methanol or 1 milligram of Rauwolfia extract. Solution is prepared because either from in the reserpine in methanol, because reserpine, you see reserpine the basic or base of the alkaloid, that is solution is prepared of reserpine in methanol, or 1 mg of Rauwolfia extract is being taken and silica gel G plate is required, solvent system taken, chloroform, acetone, diethylamine with a ratio of 50, 40 and 10. The spraying agent required, Tragen drops reagent on dry TLC plate shows orange spot. When this is being applied with the solvent system and spraying agent, by applying the spraying agent on the TLC plate, dry TLC plate, it shows orange spot. The RF value of reserpine on silica gel G plate is 0.72. Then the uses altogether, or on the whole, we can say that Rauwolfia is antihypertensive. Both reserpine and resinamide are antihypertensive. They are also used in mild anxiety condition for their tranquilizing effects and as a neuropsychiatric disorders. Azmalicin used in the relief of obstruction of normal cerebral blood flow. Altogether, Rauwolfia is, as everybody knows, that it is antihypertensive, both reserpine and resinamide. Next, the last drug among the individual drugs which are in the syllabus, that opium. Synonym is raw opium, opium poppy and opium. Generally it is called opium. Biological source, it is the dried milky exudation obtained by making incisions into the unripe capsules of Papaver somniferum, family Papaveraceae. dried milky exudates, because the preparation is different, how to collect, or the collection of the opium poppy, collection of the latex, how it is being preserved, all that is a process. So it is nothing but the dried milky exudation, because these milky exudations, if they are kept in open air, they can be dried, and latex, like latex, they will be formed, obtained by making incisions into the unripe capsules of Papaver somniferum family, Papaveraceae. There are generally three varieties are there. We generally see these three varieties are taken into consideration: Papaver somniferum variety, Papaver somniferum variety album. This is Indian variety, and other two, Turkish variety and European variety. And microscopy of opium, it shows agglomerated latex. You see this granules in the form of granules. These latex, when they are being dried and they are being sieved, it shows agglomerated latex granules in irregular mass, because the mass is not, or the latex or the granules of the latex are not regular but irregular mass. Stomata, if you see microscopically, that stomata are anomocytic, pointed trichomes are there, and few starch grains are also present. If you analyze by TLC the RF value of morphine and codeine in different solvent system, you see these are the absorbent or silica gel G plate, silica gel G plate. Here also solvent system, it is different. Different in different solvent system, RF value is different, and maybe the spraying reagent is same in three different solvent system. And here also, the as an adsorbent, all three silica gel G is being taken, and only the difference is in the solvent system, three different solvent systems. So in three different solvent system, RF value is also different, and spray reagent is also same, only RF value is different with different solvent system. The chemical constituents, if you see this alkaloid, the alkaloid of opium is combined with organic acid, that is meconic acid, because see that this alkaloid is not available it is always available in raw form, means it is not acidified. So the alkaloid is combined with organic acid, meconic acid. The alkaloids present in opium and its extracts can be divided into two groups according to its nucleus present in the structure. In two different, because alkaloids present in opium and its extract can be divided into groups. These two groups according to their nucleus present in the structure. One is phenanthrene ring and another one is benzyl isoquinoline ring. So phenanthrene ring consists of morphine, codeine and thymine. These three drugs consist of phenanthrene ring, and benzyl isoquinoline ring includes papaverine, noscapine, that is also called as narcotine, and narcin. These three and these three. These six, all six are present in two different groups according to the nucleus present in the structure. Individually, if we see that morphine is monoacidic laboratory phenolic alkaloid, and codeine, which is nothing but the methyl morphine, is a strong monoacidic base. This is monoacidic, morphine is monoacidic, but codeine, because its derivative, this is morphine derivative, methyl morphine, is a strong monoacidic base and laboratory. Papaverine is a weak monoacidic base and optically inactive. We have already discussed about the general properties of opium, general properties of alkaloid, that this is the exception, that papaverine is a weak monoacidic base and optically inactive, because most of the alkaloids are optically active, either dextrorotatory or laboratory, but this is papaverine is optically inactive. Narcotine is also a weak monoacidic base and laboratory, while its salts are dextrorotate. Opium does not contain tannins, starch and calcium oxalate. If you will see microscopically, that does not contain tannin, starch and calcium oxalate. Next, chemical test, because the presence of meconic acid is generally present in meconic acid. The general test to detect opium is by testing the presence of meconic acid. So the alkaloids are present as the salts of meconic acid. Opium is dissolved in water and to the filtrate, dissolved in water, and it is to be filtered, and after the filtration we get the filtrate, and to the filtrate ferric chloride solution is added, by which deep reddish purple color is obtained, which persists even on addition of hydrochloric acid. This is the test for opium, particularly testing the presence of meconic acid, because in general we have seen that opium is present with the acid of meconic acid. Uses: opium is hypnotic, sedatives and analgesic in nature. Hypnotics, inducing sleep; sedative is also inducing sleep, and some drowsiness is there. Sedative, it is particularly tranquilizing effect. That is why the sedative, it is called medically sedative. It is called medically it is called sedatives, producing tranquilizing effect, and analgesic in nature, because it is a strong analgesic. That is why it is called opioid analgesic. Morphine is a potent analgesic, because morphine is the derivative of opium, synthetic. That is why it is called synthetic. Morphine is a potent analgesic, it's powerful analgesic. It is having both hypnotic, sedatives and analgesic effect. Potent analgesic. It's here I want to say an example, that morphine hydrochloride or morphine sulfate injection is being administered to a patient who is having some grave injury to the head or any spinal cord, and the patient is unable to sleep due to pain. So in that case, either morphine sulfate or morphine hydrochloride injection is being administered to the patient in order to make the patient to a sound sleep, and also it allays the pain. It also stimulates the CTZ, chemoreceptor trigger zone, which is present in the medulla. CTZ, it stimulates the CTZ in the medulla, leading to nausea and vomiting. It stimulates the chemoreceptor trigger zone, which is present in the fourth ventricle of the medulla oblongata. So in that it produces nausea and vomiting. It produces respiratory depression and constipation. Respiratory depression means it will depress the respiration, so that if it will be, then it will be of painful. The respiratory depression and constipation means it will slow down and it will slow down the cough also. Codeine, it is an antitussive, because methylmorphine, it is a mild analgesic. Papaverine has relaxant effect on smooth muscles of intestinal and bronchial tract. Narcotin has a specific depressant action on cough reflex. It will cough depression, like codeine. And diacetylmorphine, say heroin, has more narcotic analgesic property than morphine. So this is all about the opium. Thank you a lot for watching the video patiently. Thank you all.